Best way to make money with ChatGPT. For this, all you need is an account on your ChatGPT. Now, for an example, I'm writing here write 300 words about celebrity and fame. So, once you give any title to it with any word limitation and just give it a enter, ChatGPT will create any paragraph, essay, article for you, and that's for free. So as you can see here, it is generating right now. Now let's discuss where you can upload it. Search for the website called Fiverr. This is a freelance service. Now just tap on the first suggestion shown. So right here you can go ahead and search for content writing. Now you can see if you scroll down, there are a lot of content writing business with the amount which is very good. So all you have to do is copy this article or a passage and paste it to your document or your MS Word and then just upload to this site. Also, Fiverr provides services such as translating and copywriting. Let's go ahead and discuss translating. So as you can see, just by translating into Portuguese or French, you will easily gain $10 or more. So what you have to do is just go to your ChatGPT again and you just have to translate this to any language that you want. Here I'm writing translate into Spanish. Now the article which is written above will be translated into Spanish itself, and all you have to do is again copy and paste to your doc and upload it to the site. Also, Fiverr provides a service of copywriting which pays really good. And this is the easiest way to make money because ChatGPT will do all of the work and you just have to sit there and earn a lot of money for a little work. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.